Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can generate AI images on CapCut browser. So go to CapCut.com and log in first, then go to Magic Tools. Then you are going to either select image to image or text to image. I'm just going to generate text to image for now, and it will show you basically the tutorial, I guess. You can select the number of images that you want to generate. You can also select the art style. I think I'm just going to select the retro one. And here you can adjust the word prompt and scale. I'm not sure. But here's where you can enter the word prompt. I'm just going to type in pink Barbie dream house cottage core. I just want to mix that up. You can also select inspiration if you want to be inspired, and you can, I guess, add in your image here as well. So I'm just going to select generate, and it's going to generate the AI image for you. It's going to take a few seconds. And as you can see, it generated this image for me. So cute. Once you're done, you're just going to select export all here, and it's going to download the image. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!